How to delete a photo in Lensa. So I have edited a photo in Lensa, maybe you have saved it, now you have changed your mind. You want to remove it from within the app, no problem. It's quite simple to do. The first thing is open up your Lensa app on your device. Let's open mine. And once you're inside it, navigate to where the Lensa stores your finished or the saved images. You can see my finished images right over here. So basically the photos I have edited and the photo I have just imported is in the same place. So we have to be sure which is edited one and which is not edited one. So I have edited two of them right over here. So this is edited and this one is edited. Simply tap on the photo that you want to delete it, and that will provide you an option called delete, which is right over here. Simply tap on it. Again tap on remove from Lensa and it's done. It's super simple, right? And just like that, your photos would be removed from your collection within Lensa. Wasn't that easy? That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.